Hey there, how are you? You're back with Angela again, and today we're going to weave. This is a 5-strand weave. It's actually a headband for a child. So today we're going to use ribbon, but you can do it in wool. This is wool that the cat was playing with. We also have some string. So whatever you've got lying around the place. For you, I will use, as I said, the ribbon. So we have got 5 strands. 5 different colours for you to see clearly what I'm doing. So the pink, blue, yellow, white, and the lime. Remember, the left side, 1, 2, 3. Whatever one is in the middle becomes a third. Over to the right, 1, 2, 3. We're going to have 3 in the middle. So these 3 in the middle are going to be braided, plaited, one over the other, just 3 times. Just like that. And so what we're going to do now is the pink one is going to go under the white one. So we'll put that there now, and it's going to go over top of the yellow one. Now, if you get into a habit of creating a pattern in your head, on what you're doing, repetition here. So the white one's up there now. We're going to put the lime under the blue and over the pink. Blue under the pink and over the white. So you have a pattern that you repeat to yourself. Yellow under the green, lime, and over the blue. Right, let's try this by numbers, shall we? Number 1 on the right side, under number 2 and over number 3. Number 1 on the left side, under number 2 and over number 3. Firm things up again. Number 1 on the right side, under number 2 and over number 3. There we go. Look at that part only, because that's nice. Which is that? It should look like that in ribbon, which is pretty for the colours, but I personally like natural strings and natural fibres or wool. So soft. My cats will love that. I hope you enjoyed weaving this braid with me, this 5-strand braid. Like I said, I've done it in colours for you to follow clearly. But if you're going to work with a string or with wool, same color, you would number them 1, 2, 3 from the right and 1, 2, 3 from the left, and you get a pattern. That's what it's about, being repetitive in your head. And you can create anything from these cute little wristbands to headbands and put feathers or whatever you want. So when you're finished, post your creation on Instagram, Facebook, and tag Blacktown Arts, and let's see what you've done. Together we can.